Welcome to the F1 in Schools project tutorial. My name is Phil Dolan. In this lesson, we will be creating orthographic drawings of the body of the F1 car. We're also going to be adding some dimensions and changing the dimension style. This is the assembly of the car. We're going to save that. You can click yes to all. They were actually all set to yes, but out of habit I often click that. Close that down. And I want to open up just the car body. And that's the car body we modified in Activity5. What I want to do is create a new format. That is a drawing file. Again, F1 is an international contest, so we're going to be using metric and ISO. Be careful not to choose ISO.dwg. That's an AutoCAD format, not Inventor. And there's the drawing. I'm going to save that. You may have a naming convention you have to follow. I'm just going to call this my F1 car. And save that. I like to rename these. So I'm going to edit that and change it to car body. If you end up with 5 or 6 of these, it's much easier to identify. It's an A3 size of paper, 297 by 420 millimeters. I'm going to create 4 views. That's not the initial view that I want, so I'm going to use the view cube to get what I want, drag it into position, and then this is pretty easy. Just drag it around, 1, 2, 3, and then create the pictorial. Right click, OK. Can't do it much quicker than that. Now I like to make the pictorial view shaded. So I'm going to edit that view, change the style, and click OK. And then we see the 4 views. A lot of the time is taken annotating your drawing. Creating the views was pretty quick. Here you see all the annotation tools, particularly things such as center lines. Let's introduce you to dimensioning. Click one corner, then the other, and there are some predefined distances. This keeps the standards correct. So 210, and from the bottom to the top, drag that out to the right. Again, that predefined distance. Top, bottom, and then place the dimension. Now, as I'm placing these dimensions, I notice there are 2 decimal places. The precision is set to 2. I want to change that. So I'm going to go to the Manage tab, Styles Editor. My default style is the ISO. And on the Units tab, I can see where all the various values are set up. Change precision to 0. Save it, and we're done. And that automatically updates all those values. Now you can go ahead and add many more dimensions to the car body. Finish up by saving, and the drawing is started. So in this lesson we created orthographic drawings, 4 views of the F1 car body, and then we started by adding some dimensions and changed the dimension style.